The ITeVe.GD Pergola DIY Kit is constructed from high-quality, heavy-duty 14-gauge steel, providing exceptional strength and stability for your outdoor structures. This kit features a black galvanized layer with a matte black electrostatic powder coating, ensuring it is rust-proof and durable for long-term use. Each set includes 32 stainless steel self-tapping screws, making installation straightforward with just the use of a suitable electric drill. The inner diameter of 3.58 inches by 3.58 inches fits most standard 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch wooden posts available in the market. This versatile kit is perfect for building pergolas, gazebos, playgrounds, tree houses, and log cabins, protecting the ends of wooden columns from rotting in outdoor environments. Customer satisfaction is a priority, with a 30-day money-back guarantee, reflecting the company's commitment to product quality and customer service.